Welcome to Mastering Wealth and Wisdom, Balancing Financial Growth with Personal Enlightenment. In this audiobook, we will explore the crucial balance between achieving financial success and personal growth. By delving into the realms of both wealth and wisdom, we aim to provide you with the tools and insights necessary to live a fulfilled and prosperous life. The purpose of this book is not just to help you accumulate wealth, but to also guide you towards a deeper understanding of yourself and your place in the universe. We believe the true prosperity lies in the harmony between material abundance and spiritual enlightenment. By mastering both aspects, you will be able to create a life filled with abundance, purpose, and happiness. In today's fast-paced and materialistic world, it is easy to get caught up in the pursuit of wealth without considering the consequences on our overall well-being. Many people sacrifice their relationships, health, and inner peace in the relentless pursuit of money and success. This often leads to a sense of emptiness and unfulfillment despite outward signs of prosperity. On the other hand, some individuals focus solely on personal growth and spiritual development, neglecting their financial responsibilities. While this can lead to a deeper sense of inner peace and contentment, it may also result in financial struggles and limitations. It is in finding the delicate balance between these two aspects that true prosperity is realized. Throughout this book, we will explore various strategies and practices that will help you achieve this balance. From practical financial advice to spiritual teachings and self-awareness exercises, we will provide you with a comprehensive guide to mastering wealth and wisdom in your life. Our aim is to empower you to create a life that is abundant in all areas, allowing you to thrive both financially and spiritually. We believe that by aligning your financial goals with your personal values and spiritual beliefs, you can create a life of purpose and fulfillment. This book is not just about making money, it is about living a life that is rich in meaning and joy. It is about cultivating a mindset of abundance and gratitude and using your resources to make a positive impact in the world. As we embark on this journey together, we invite you to open your mind and heart to the possibilities that lie ahead. Let go of any limiting beliefs or fears that may be holding you back and embrace the infinite potential that resides within you. By mastering wealth and wisdom, you will not only transform your own life, but also inspire those around you to do the same. We are excited to embark on this transformative journey with you, and we look forward to witnessing the incredible growth and expansion that will unfold in your life. Remember, true success is not just about what you achieve, but who you become in the process. May this book serve as a guiding light on your path to mastering wealth and wisdom. In order to master wealth and wisdom, it is essential to first understand the basics of wealth accumulation and the role of mindset in financial success. Many people believe that being financially successful requires luck or a certain level of intelligence, but the truth is that anyone can achieve financial success with the right mindset and knowledge. When it comes to accumulating wealth, there are several key principles to keep in mind. The first principle is the importance of setting clear financial goals. Without specific goals to work towards, it can be easy to drift aimlessly through life without making any real progress towards financial stability. By setting clear, achievable goals for yourself, you can create a roadmap for your financial success. Another important principle in wealth accumulation is the importance of saving and investing. Saving money is essential for building wealth, as it allows you to accrue funds that can be used for investments or emergencies. By making a habit of saving a portion of your income each month, you can gradually build a financial cushion that will protect you in times of need. Investing is another crucial aspect of wealth accumulation. By investing your money wisely, you can make it work for you and generate passive income. This can allow you to build wealth faster and achieve financial freedom in a shorter amount of time. However, it is important to approach investing with caution and to do thorough research before making any investment decisions. In addition to these key principles, it is also important to cultivate a mindset of abundance and gratitude. Many people have a scarcity mindset, believing that there is not enough wealth to go around and that they must compete with others in order to succeed. However, by shifting your mindset to one of abundance, you can attract more wealth and opportunities into your life. By focusing on the things you are grateful for and adopting a mindset of abundance, you can create a positive energy that will attract prosperity into your life. Another important aspect of achieving financial success is the power of intention. By setting clear intentions for your financial goals and visualizing your success, you can create a powerful force that will help you achieve your goals. By focusing on the outcome you desire and taking inspired action towards your goals, you can manifest your desires and create the financial success you seek. It is also important to be mindful of your spending habits and to live within your means. Many people fall into the trap of overspending, putting themselves into debt and hindering their financial growth. By practicing frugality and living below your means, you can save more money and invest it wisely, creating a solid foundation for your financial success. In addition to these practical strategies for wealth accumulation, it is also essential to cultivate personal enlightenment and spiritual growth. True wealth and wisdom are not just about accumulating money and possessions, but about living a life of purpose and fulfillment. By connecting with your inner self and aligning your actions with your values, you can achieve a deeper sense of fulfillment and happiness that goes beyond material wealth. One of the key principles of personal enlightenment is self-awareness. By understanding yourself and your motivations, you can make better decisions that are in alignment with your values and goals. By practicing self-reflection and mindfulness, you can cultivate a deeper sense of self-awareness and make conscious choices that lead to personal growth and fulfillment. Another important aspect of personal enlightenment is the practice of self-care. Taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being is essential for achieving personal enlightenment and spiritual growth. By nourishing your body with healthy food, exercise, and rest, you can create a strong foundation for personal growth and success. By prioritizing your mental and emotional well-being through practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and therapy, you can cultivate a deep sense of inner peace and balance that will support you on your journey to wealth and wisdom. In addition to self-awareness and self-care, it is also important to cultivate a sense of gratitude and compassion towards others. By practicing gratitude for the blessings in your life and showing compassion towards others, you can create a positive energy that will attract abundance and prosperity into your life. By being of service to others and giving back to your community, you can create a ripple effect of positivity that will benefit not only yourself, but also those around you. Ultimately, mastering wealth and wisdom is about finding a balance between financial growth and personal enlightenment. By understanding the basics of wealth accumulation and the role of mindset in financial success, and by cultivating personal enlightenment and spiritual growth, you can create a life of abundance, fulfillment, and prosperity. By setting clear financial goals, saving and investing wisely, cultivating a mindset of abundance and gratitude, and aligning your actions with your values and goals, you can achieve true wealth and wisdom in all areas of your life. As we continue our journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom, it is essential that we delve deeper into the concept of wisdom and its impact on our financial decision-making. Wisdom is not just about intelligence or knowledge, it is about understanding, insight, and the ability to use information in a thoughtful and reflective manner. In essence, wisdom is the bridge that connects our financial goals with our personal values and beliefs. One of the key aspects of wisdom is the ability to discern between what is truly important and what is merely a distraction. When it comes to our finances, this means being able to differentiate between our needs and our wants, between short-term gratification and long-term fulfillment. It is about understanding the true value of money and recognizing that wealth is not just about material possessions, but also about emotional well-being, spiritual growth, and meaningful relationships. Wisdom also involves learning from our past experiences and using those lessons to make better decisions in the future. This requires humility, self-awareness, and the willingness to admit when we have made mistakes. It is about taking responsibility for our actions and being open to new perspectives and ideas. By cultivating a sense of reflection and self-awareness, we can improve our financial decision-making and avoid repeating the same errors. Another important aspect of wisdom is the ability to see the bigger picture and consider the long-term consequences of our actions. In the fast-paced world of finance, it can be easy to get caught up in short-term gains and lose sight of our ultimate goals. By developing a sense of foresight and vision, we can make decisions that align with our values and aspirations rather than simply reacting to immediate pressures or temptations. Wealth and wisdom are not mutually exclusive concepts. In fact, they are often interconnected, each influencing and enhancing the other. When we approach our financial decisions with mindfulness, insight, and purpose, we can achieve a greater sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. By balancing the pursuit of wealth with the cultivation of wisdom, we can create a life that is rich in both material abundance and spiritual enrichment. As we continue our exploration of wisdom in the context of financial decision-making, it is important to remember that true wisdom is not something that can be acquired overnight. It is a lifelong journey of learning, growth, and self-discovery. By remaining open to new ideas, perspectives, and experiences, we can expand our awareness and deepen our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. In conclusion, mastering wealth and wisdom is about more than just accumulating money or achieving success. It is about living with intention, purpose, and authenticity. By cultivating wisdom in our financial decision-making, we can create a life that is not only prosperous and abundant, but also meaningful and fulfilling. Let us continue on this path with courage, curiosity, and compassion, knowing that the rewards of wisdom far outweigh the challenges of the journey. As we continue on our journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom, it is essential that we take the time to reflect on our financial goals and ensure that they align with our personal values and aspirations. In this chapter, we will delve into the importance of setting goals that resonate with our innermost desires and beliefs and explore how we can achieve a greater sense of fulfillment and abundance by aligning our financial objectives with our spiritual growth. It is easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life, constantly chasing after the next big paycheck or material possession. However, true wealth is not just about the accumulation of money and possessions, it is about living a life that is aligned with our core values and beliefs. By setting financial goals that are in line with our personal aspirations, we can create a sense of harmony and balance in our lives, leading to a greater sense of fulfillment and happiness. To begin the process of setting goals that align with our personal values and aspirations, it is important to take a step back and reflect on what truly matters to us. What are the things that bring us joy and fulfillment? What are our core values and beliefs? By answering these questions, we can begin to uncover the driving forces behind our financial decisions and gain a clearer understanding of what we truly want out of life. Once we have identified our core values and aspirations, we can begin to set financial goals that are in line with our desires. This may involve creating a budget that reflects our priorities, saving for a specific goal such as a dream vacation or a new home, or investing in avenues that align with our personal values. By taking the time to align our financial goals with our personal aspirations, we can create a roadmap towards a more fulfilling and abundant life. Setting financial goals that align with our personal values and aspirations is not always easy. It may require us to make difficult decisions or sacrifices and to reevaluate our priorities. However, by staying true to ourselves and focusing on what truly matters, we can create a sense of purpose and fulfillment that goes beyond mere material wealth. In conclusion, mastering wealth and wisdom is not just about accumulating money and possessions, it is about living a life that is in alignment with our core values and aspirations. By setting financial goals that resonate with our innermost desires and beliefs, we can create a sense of harmony and balance in our lives, leading to a greater sense of fulfillment and abundance. Let us take the time to reflect on what truly matters to us and set goals that will lead us towards a life of purpose and meaning. Chapter 4. Creating a budget that promotes financial growth while allowing room for personal fulfillment. In the pursuit of mastering wealth and wisdom, it is essential to take a closer look at how we manage our finances. One of the most powerful tools we have at our disposal is creating a budget that not only supports our financial goals but also allows for personal fulfillment. In this chapter, we will explore the importance of creating a budget that strikes a balance between financial growth and personal enlightenment. Budgeting is often seen as a restrictive and tedious task. Many people view it as a way to limit their spending and deprive themselves of the things they enjoy. However, when approached from a place of abundance and intention, budgeting can be a powerful tool for aligning our financial goals with our values and priorities. The first step in creating a budget that promotes financial growth and personal fulfillment is to understand your current financial situation. Take the time to review your income, expenses, and savings goals. Be honest with yourself about where your money is going and where you want it to go. This process can be eye-opening and may reveal areas where you can make adjustments to better align your spending with your financial goals. Once you have a clear understanding of your financial situation, the next step is to set specific financial goals. Think about what you want to achieve in both the short term and the long term. Do you want to save for a down payment on a house, pay off debt, or build an emergency fund? Setting goals will give you clarity and direction as you create your budget. When creating your budget, it is important to prioritize your financial goals. Allocate a portion of your income to each goal, making sure to allocate more to your most important ones. Remember, it is essential to strike a balance between saving for the future and enjoying the present. Allow yourself some room in your budget for discretionary spending on things that bring you joy and fulfillment. As you create your budget, consider the concept of conscious spending. This means being intentional about where you allocate your money and ensuring that your spending aligns with your values and priorities. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it is in line with your financial goals and if it will bring you true fulfillment. By practicing conscious spending, you can avoid unnecessary expenses and prioritize what truly matters to you. Another key aspect of creating a budget that promotes financial growth and personal fulfillment is to cultivate a mindset of abundance. Instead of viewing budgeting as a way to restrict yourself, see it as a tool for creating the financial freedom to live the life you desire. Trust that there is always enough money to meet your needs and goals, and approach your budgeting practice with a sense of gratitude and abundance. In addition to setting financial goals and practicing conscious spending, it is important to revisit and adjust your budget regularly. Life is constantly changing, and so too should your budget. Review your budget on a monthly basis to track your progress towards your goals and make any necessary adjustments. Be open to reevaluating your priorities and making changes as needed to ensure that your budget continues to align with your financial goals and personal fulfillment. As you embark on the journey of creating a budget that promotes financial growth and personal fulfillment, remember that mastering wealth and wisdom is not just about accumulating money, but about living a life of purpose and fulfillment. By taking a holistic approach to budgeting that aligns your financial goals with your values and priorities, you can create a sustainable path to financial abundance and personal enlightenment. In conclusion, creating a budget that promotes financial growth while allowing room for personal fulfillment is a powerful practice that can help you align your financial goals with your values and priorities. By setting specific financial goals, practicing conscious spending, cultivating a mindset of abundance, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your budget, you can create a sustainable path to financial abundance and personal enlightenment. Remember, mastering wealth and wisdom is not just about accumulating money, but about living a life of purpose and fulfillment. Chapter 5. Investing in oneself through education, skill building, and personal development. As we continue on our journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom, it is crucial to understand the importance of investing in oneself. While it may be tempting to focus solely on financial growth and material possessions, true fulfillment and success come from developing oneself both personally and professionally. Education is key in this process. Learning new skills and expanding our knowledge allows us to grow and adapt in a rapidly changing world. Whether it is through formal education, online courses, workshops, or self-study, investing in our education is an investment in our future. By continuously learning and staying curious, we open ourselves up to new opportunities and experiences. Skill building is another essential aspect of investing in oneself. Developing practical skills that are relevant to our goals and passions not only enhances our professional abilities but also boosts our confidence and self-esteem. Whether it is mastering a new language, improving our public speaking skills, or learning how to code, acquiring new skills opens up doors to new possibilities and can lead to personal growth and fulfillment. Personal development is perhaps the most important aspect of investing in oneself. This involves working on our inner selves, understanding our values, beliefs, and emotions, and striving for personal growth and self-improvement. This can take many forms, such as meditation, journaling, therapy, or simply taking the time to reflect on our thoughts and feelings. By investing in our personal development, we can become more self-aware, empathetic, and compassionate individuals who are able to navigate life's challenges with grace and resilience. It is important to remember that investing in oneself is a continuous journey. Just as we invest in our financial portfolios over time, we must also invest in our personal growth and development consistently. This requires dedication, commitment, and a willingness to step outside of our comfort zones and embrace new opportunities for learning and growth. When we invest in ourselves, we are not only enriching our own lives but also those around us. By becoming the best versions of ourselves, we can inspire and uplift others, leading by example and showing others what is possible when we commit to our personal growth and development. In conclusion, investing in oneself through education, skill building, and personal development is essential on the path to mastering wealth and wisdom. By continuously learning, growing, and evolving as individuals, we can achieve not only financial success but also personal fulfillment and happiness. Remember, the greatest investment you can make is in yourself. As we delve deeper into the world of financial growth and personal enlightenment, it is crucial that we understand the power of compound interest and long-term financial planning. These two concepts go hand in hand when it comes to building wealth and creating a secure financial future for ourselves and our loved ones. Compound interest is often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world, and for good reason. It is the concept of earning interest on both the initial principal amount and the accumulated interest from previous periods. This means that not only does your money grow over time, but it grows at an increasing rate. It is truly a powerful force that can work in your favor if you understand how to leverage it effectively. Imagine you invest $1,000 in an account that offers an annual interest rate of 5%. At the end of the first year, you would earn $50 in interest, bringing your total balance to $1,050. In the second year, you would earn 5% interest on the $1,050, which amounts to $52.50. Your total balance would then grow to $1,102.50. This cycle continues year after year, with your money working harder and harder for you. Now, let's consider the impact of long-term financial planning. By making consistent contributions to your investment accounts over time, you are able to take full advantage of the power of compound interest. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow and compound. This is why it is so important to start planning for your financial future as soon as possible. When you think about the future, what do you envision for yourself? Do you see yourself living comfortably, free of financial stress and worry? Do you see yourself being able to provide for your family and give back to your community? By setting long-term financial goals and creating a plan to achieve them, you are taking the first step towards creating the life you desire. It is important to remember that financial planning is not just about creating wealth for yourself, but also about creating a legacy for future generations. By investing wisely and planning for the long term, you are not only securing your own financial future, but you are also setting the stage for your children, grandchildren, and beyond to have a solid financial foundation. As you embark on your journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom, remember that it is not just about the money. It is about creating a life of abundance, fulfillment, and purpose. By combining the power of compound interest with long-term financial planning, you are laying the groundwork for a future that is not only financially secure, but also spiritually fulfilling. Take the time to review your current financial situation and identify areas where you can improve. Consider working with a financial advisor or planner to help create a personalized financial plan that aligns with your goals and values. Remember, it is never too late to start planning for your future, but the earlier you start, the more time you have to benefit from the power of compound interest. In conclusion, understanding the power of compound interest and long-term financial planning is essential to mastering wealth and wisdom. By harnessing the power of compound interest and making a commitment to long-term financial planning, you are setting yourself up for a future that is filled with abundance, success, and fulfillment. Remember, the journey towards financial freedom and personal enlightenment is not a sprint, but a marathon. Stay true to your goals, stay committed to your plan, and watch as your financial future unfolds before your very eyes. Chapter 7. Exploring different investment vehicles and strategies for long-term wealth accumulation. As we continue on our journey to mastering wealth and wisdom, it is essential to explore the various investment vehicles and strategies that can help us achieve long-term financial growth. Investing wisely is not just about making money, but also about aligning our values and goals with our financial decisions. In this chapter, we will delve into the different options available to us and learn how to make informed choices that will lead to lasting prosperity. One of the most common forms of investment is the stock market. While it can be a volatile and risky place, it also offers the potential for significant returns. Investing in individual stocks requires a great deal of research and knowledge, as well as a willingness to ride out the ups and downs of the market. For those who prefer a more hands-off approach, mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, can provide diversification and professional management while still giving investors the opportunity to participate in the growth of the market. Real estate is another popular investment option that can provide both income and potential appreciation over time. Owning rental properties can be a great source of passive income, while investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs, allows investors to gain exposure to the real estate market without the hassle of property management. Additionally, crowdfunded real estate platforms have made it easier for individuals to invest in larger real estate projects with smaller amounts of capital. For those looking to diversify their investment portfolios, alternative investments such as precious metals, collectibles, and cryptocurrencies can offer unique opportunities for growth. While these investments may carry higher risks, they also have the potential for higher returns and can serve as a hedge against inflation and economic downturns. Regardless of the investment vehicle chosen, it is essential to have a clear understanding of one's risk tolerance, time horizon, and financial goals. By creating a well-thought-out investment plan and sticking to it through market fluctuations, investors can increase their chances of long-term success. In addition to choosing the right investment vehicles, it is crucial to understand the various strategies that can be used to maximize returns and minimize risk. Dollar cost averaging, for example, involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals regardless of market fluctuations. This strategy can help reduce the impact of market volatility and ensure that investors are buying more shares when prices are low and fewer shares when prices are high. Another popular investment strategy is diversification, which involves spreading investments across different asset classes and sectors to reduce risk. By not putting all of their eggs in one basket, investors can protect themselves from the potential downfall of a single investment and increase their chances of overall portfolio growth. Rebalancing is yet another important strategy that involves periodically adjusting the weightings of assets in a portfolio to maintain a desired level of risk. By selling off investments that have performed well and buying more of those that have underperformed, investors can ensure that their portfolios stay aligned with their financial goals over time. Ultimately, mastering wealth and wisdom is about finding a balance between financial growth and personal enlightenment. By carefully selecting investment vehicles that align with our values and goals and utilizing strategies that maximize returns while minimizing risk, we can create a solid foundation for long-term prosperity. Remember to stay disciplined, stay informed, and stay true to yourself as you navigate the world of investing. With dedication and perseverance, achieving financial success is well within reach. In the journey to mastering wealth and wisdom, one of the key aspects to consider is the balance between risk and reward in investment decisions. As we navigate the complex world of finance, it is important to understand the interconnectedness between our financial decisions and our personal growth and enlightenment. When it comes to investing, there is always an inherent level of risk involved. Whether we are investing in stocks, real estate, businesses, or any other asset class, there is never a guarantee of success. However, it is the willingness to take calculated risks that can lead to great rewards. It is through this process that we can learn valuable lessons about ourselves and our relationship with money. But how do we strike a balance between taking risks to grow our wealth and ensuring that we are not jeopardizing our financial well-being? The key lies in cultivating a mindset of mindfulness and self-awareness. By being attuned to our inner selves and understanding our motivations and fears when it comes to money, we can make more informed and conscious investment decisions. One way to balance risk and reward in investment decisions is to diversify our portfolio. By spreading our investments across different asset classes, industries, and markets, we can mitigate the potential risks associated with a single investment. Diversification is like planting seeds in different soils. Some may flourish, while others may not, but overall, we increase our chances of reaping a bountiful harvest. Another important factor to consider is our risk tolerance. Each individual has a unique relationship with risk, and it is crucial to assess our own comfort level with uncertainty and volatility in the markets. By understanding our risk tolerance, we can align our investment choices with our personal values and goals, ensuring that we are not taking on more risk than we can handle. In the pursuit of financial growth, it is easy to get caught up in the allure of high-risk, high-reward investments. While these opportunities may seem tempting, it is important to approach them with caution and discernment. It is essential to conduct thorough research, seek advice from trusted financial advisors, and carefully weigh the potential risks and rewards before making any investment decisions. At the same time, it is important to remember that not all valuable investments are measured in monetary terms. Investing in ourselves through personal growth, education, and spiritual development can yield significant returns that far outweigh any financial gain. By prioritizing our holistic well-being and aligning our financial choices with our core values, we can create a truly abundant and fulfilling life. In conclusion, balancing risk and reward in investment decisions is a delicate dance that requires a deep understanding of ourselves and our relationship with money. By cultivating mindfulness, practicing self-awareness, and making conscious choices aligned with our values and goals, we can navigate the complexities of investing with grace and wisdom. Remember, true wealth is not just about the numbers in your bank account, but the richness of your soul and the depth of your wisdom. As we continue on our journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom, it is important to explore the concept of giving back to the community and contributing to society as a crucial aspect of our financial growth and personal enlightenment. In Chapter 9, we delve deeper into the significance of generosity and service in our quest for abundance and fulfillment. When we think of building wealth, we often focus on accumulating material possessions, growing our investments, and increasing our financial assets. While these are important components of our financial journey, true wealth goes beyond mere monetary value. True wealth is also about the impact we have on the world around us, the lives we touch, and the positive change we bring about in our communities. Giving back and contributing to society are not just acts of charity or altruism, they are essential practices that enrich our lives and elevate our spirits. By extending a helping hand to those in need, sharing our resources with others, and using our skills and talents to make a difference, we not only benefit those we serve but also cultivate a sense of purpose, meaning, and interconnectedness that ultimately enhances our own well-being. When we give selflessly without expecting anything in return, we open ourselves up to receive the abundance of the universe in ways we never thought possible. The act of giving is not just a means of sharing our wealth, it is a powerful way of demonstrating our faith in the abundance of the universe and our willingness to trust in the flow of prosperity that surrounds us. As we practice generosity and service, we align ourselves with the universal law of circulation, which teaches us that the more we give, the more we receive. This fundamental principle of abundance reminds us that wealth is not meant to be hoarded or accumulated for selfish gain, but to be shared and circulated to benefit all beings. When we give with an open heart and a spirit of kindness, we create a ripple effect of goodness that reverberates throughout the world, touching countless lives and inspiring others to join us in the joy of giving. The act of contributing to the community is also a powerful way to connect with our higher selves and tap into our innate wisdom and compassion. As we reach out to those in need, lend our support to charitable causes, and volunteer our time and talents to worthy endeavors, we cultivate virtues such as empathy, humility, and gratitude that help us transcend our ego and align with the divine purpose of our lives. By serving others, we not only express our deepest values and beliefs but also deepen our understanding of the interconnectedness of all life and the sacredness of every being. As we give back to the community, we nourish our souls, expand our consciousness, and cultivate a sense of unity and oneness that transcends the boundaries of self and ego. In practicing the art of giving and contributing to society, we also become powerful agents of change and transformation in the world. Our acts of kindness, generosity, and service have the potential to inspire others, create positive social impact, and elevate the collective consciousness of humanity. By making a conscious effort to give back and contribute to the community, we become co-creators of a more compassionate, harmonious, and prosperous world that reflects the highest ideals of humanity. As we integrate the practice of giving into our wealth-building journey, we open ourselves up to a wealth of blessings, abundance, and fulfillment that transcends material wealth. True wealth is not just about what we have, it is also about who we are and how we choose to show up in the world. By embracing the values of generosity, service, and compassion, we unlock the true power of wealth and wisdom and align ourselves with the divine flow of prosperity that is always available to us. As we reflect on the importance of giving back and contributing to the community, let us remember that true wealth is not measured by the size of our bank account or the value of our possessions, but by the depth of our compassion, the generosity of our spirit, and the impact we make on the world around us. Let us commit to being generous stewards of our resources, compassionate servants of humanity, and joyful givers of our time, talents, and treasures. In doing so, we not only enrich our lives but also contribute to the greater good of all beings and create a legacy of love, abundance, and wisdom that will endure for generations to come. May we always remember that the true purpose of wealth is to be a force for good in the world, a source of blessing and abundance for all, and a catalyst for positive change and transformation. As we master the art of giving and contributing to the community, may we experience the joy of service, the fulfillment of generosity, and the richness of a life well lived in harmony with the highest ideals of humanity. Chapter 10. In today's hectic and fast-paced world, it is easy to get caught up in the pursuit of financial success and material wealth. We often find ourselves constantly striving for more, always looking for the next big thing that will bring us closer to our goals. But in our relentless pursuit of success, we often forget to take a step back and appreciate the abundance and blessings we already have in our lives. Practicing gratitude and mindfulness are powerful tools that can help us cultivate a sense of appreciation and contentment for the present moment. By focusing on the positive aspects of our lives and expressing gratitude for the blessings we have, we can shift our mindset from one of lack and scarcity to one of abundance and fulfillment. Gratitude is a practice that involves acknowledging and appreciating the good things in our lives, no matter how big or small. It is about recognizing the abundance that surrounds us and being thankful for all the blessings we have been given. When we take the time to reflect on and express gratitude for the people, experiences, and opportunities that enrich our lives, we open ourselves up to receiving even more abundance and blessings in return. Mindfulness, on the other hand, is the practice of being fully present and aware in the moment. It involves paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without judgment and allowing ourselves to experience life as it unfolds. By practicing mindfulness, we can cultivate a greater sense of self-awareness and emotional regulation, which can help us make better decisions and navigate life's challenges with grace and ease. When we combine the practices of gratitude and mindfulness, we can enhance our overall well-being and set the stage for financial success. By expressing gratitude for the abundance in our lives and practicing mindfulness to stay present and focused, we can cultivate a sense of inner peace and contentment that can positively impact every aspect of our lives. One of the key benefits of practicing gratitude and mindfulness is that it helps us cultivate a positive mindset. When we focus on the good in our lives and express gratitude for our blessings, we shift our perspective from one of lack and scarcity to one of abundance and fulfillment. This positive mindset can help us attract more positivity and abundance into our lives as our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. In addition to cultivating a positive mindset, practicing gratitude and mindfulness can also help us manage stress and increase our resilience in the face of challenges. By staying present and aware in the moment, we can better cope with difficult situations and navigate through life's ups and downs with greater ease. This can help us make better decisions, maintain healthy relationships, and overcome obstacles that may come our way. Furthermore, practicing gratitude and mindfulness can also improve our physical and mental health. Research has shown that cultivating a sense of gratitude can boost our immune system, lower our blood pressure, and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Similarly, practicing mindfulness has been linked to a range of benefits, including improved focus, memory, and emotional regulation. By taking care of our well-being, we can better position ourselves for success in all areas of our lives. In order to incorporate gratitude and mindfulness into our daily lives, it is important to establish a regular practice. This can involve setting aside a few minutes each day to reflect on the things we are grateful for and to practice mindfulness through activities such as meditation, deep breathing, or mindful walking. By making these practices a part of our routine, we can build a strong foundation for personal growth and success. As we continue to cultivate gratitude and mindfulness in our lives, we may begin to notice positive changes in our overall well-being and financial success. By shifting our mindset from one of lack to one of abundance, we can attract more positivity and abundance into our lives. By staying present and aware in the moment, we can better manage stress, make better decisions, and improve our physical and mental health. In this way, we can create a harmonious balance between financial growth and personal enlightenment and live a fulfilling and prosperous life. As we dive into Chapter 11 of Mastering Wealth and Wisdom, we uncover a profound truth that has the power to transform not only our financial well-being, but also our very existence. This truth lies in our understanding of the psychology of money and how it influences our financial behaviors. Money is often seen as a means to an end, a tool for acquiring material possessions and fulfilling our desires. But beneath the surface of this seemingly simple concept lies a complex web of emotions, beliefs, and past experiences that shape our relationship with money. This relationship often goes far beyond the mere exchange of currency, touching the very core of our being. Understanding the psychology of money requires us to delve deep into our subconscious minds, where our beliefs about money are formed and ingrained. These beliefs may have been passed down to us from our parents, our upbringing, or even societal norms. They may be limiting beliefs that hold us back from achieving true financial abundance, or they may be empowering beliefs that propel us towards success. One of the most common limiting beliefs surrounding money is the idea that it is scarce and difficult to come by. This belief often leads to feelings of anxiety, fear, and scarcity consciousness, which in turn can manifest in financial behaviors such as hoarding, overspending, or taking unnecessary risks. By recognizing and challenging this belief, we can begin to shift our mindset towards one of abundance and prosperity. On the flip side, some of us may hold empowering beliefs about money, seeing it as a tool for creating positive change in the world. These beliefs can lead to financial behaviors such as investing, giving back to the community, or pursuing entrepreneurial ventures. By aligning our beliefs with our actions, we can harness the power of money to create not only financial wealth, but also a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Our relationship with money is also deeply intertwined with our self-worth and sense of identity. Many of us tie our worth as individuals to our financial success, equating wealth with happiness and fulfillment. This can lead to a never-ending cycle of striving for more, never feeling truly satisfied with what we have. By separating our self-worth from our net worth, we can begin to cultivate a sense of inner peace and contentment that is not dependent on external circumstances. As we explore the psychology of money, it becomes clear that our financial behaviors are not simply a matter of rational decision-making, but a reflection of our deepest desires, fears, and beliefs. By bringing these hidden aspects of ourselves into the light, we can begin to make conscious choices about our money and our lives, aligning our financial goals with our truest values and aspirations. In the journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom, it is essential to cultivate a sense of mindfulness and awareness around our relationship with money. By paying attention to our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors when it comes to finances, we can begin to uncover the patterns that have been holding us back and create new, more empowering ones. This process may not be easy or comfortable, but the rewards that come from aligning our financial goals with our innermost values are immeasurable. As we conclude this chapter on the psychology of money, let us remember that true wealth is not just about the numbers in our bank account, but about the richness of our relationships, the depth of our self-understanding, and the alignment of our actions with our deepest truths. May we all find the courage to face our fears, challenge our limiting beliefs, and step into a new paradigm of abundance and prosperity. As we continue on our journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom, it is important to remember that building healthy financial habits is crucial for long-term success. Our habits shape our actions, and our actions shape our future. By cultivating positive financial habits, we pave the way for abundance and prosperity in all areas of our lives. One of the first steps in building healthy financial habits is to create a budget that aligns with our values and goals. A budget is a powerful tool that helps us track our income and expenses and ensures that we are living within our means. By creating a budget that reflects our priorities, we can make informed decisions about how to allocate our resources and avoid the temptation of overspending on non-essential items. Another important financial habit to cultivate is the practice of saving and investing regularly. By consistently setting aside a portion of our income for savings and investments, we create a financial cushion that can protect us in times of need and help us achieve our long-term financial goals. Whether we choose to save for retirement, a major purchase, or simply for a rainy day, the act of saving regularly builds discipline and resilience that will serve us well in the future. In addition to saving and investing, it is important to develop a healthy relationship with money. Money is a tool that can be used to create positive change in the world, and when we view it as a means to an end rather than an end in itself, we can unlock its true potential. By practicing gratitude for the abundance that we already have and approaching financial decisions with a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity, we can attract more wealth and prosperity into our lives. One of the most powerful financial habits that we can cultivate is the practice of giving back. When we share our wealth with others, whether through charitable donations, volunteering our time, or simply helping a friend in need, we create a positive cycle of giving and receiving that enriches both our lives and the lives of those around us. By giving back to others, we affirm our interconnectedness with all beings and create a sense of abundance that transcends material wealth. As we build healthy financial habits, it is important to remember that true wealth is not just about the amount of money we have in our bank account, but about the quality of our relationships, our sense of purpose, and our overall well-being. When we align our financial goals with our values and prioritize our physical, emotional, and spiritual health, we create a life of true abundance and fulfillment. In conclusion, building healthy financial habits is essential for long-term success. By creating a budget that reflects our values, saving and investing regularly, developing a healthy relationship with money, and giving back to others, we can pave the way for a life of abundance and prosperity. Remember, wealth is not just about what we have, but about who we are and how we choose to show up in the world. By mastering wealth and wisdom, we can create a life of balance and fulfillment that nourishes our souls and enriches our communities. As we continue on our journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom, we must take the time to reflect on the mistakes and pitfalls that often plague our financial endeavors. It is through learning from these past errors that we can truly grow and become wiser in our financial decisions. One of the most common financial pitfalls that many people fall into is living beyond their means. In today's society, it is all too easy to get caught up in the consumerist culture that surrounds us. We are bombarded with advertisements telling us that we need the latest gadgets, the trendiest clothes, and the fanciest cars in order to be happy. And all too often, we fall into the trap of spending money that we don't have in order to keep up with the Joneses. But living beyond our means is a dangerous game, one that can lead to financial ruin in the blink of an eye. When we spend more money than we earn, we accumulate debt that can quickly spiral out of control. We find ourselves drowning in a sea of bills and loans, struggling just to make the minimum payments each month. And before we know it, we are trapped in a cycle of debt that seems impossible to escape. But it doesn't have to be this way. By learning to live within our means, we can avoid the pitfalls of debt and financial hardship. By prioritizing our needs over our wants, we can create a budget that allows us to save and invest for the future rather than spending all of our money on fleeting pleasures. Another common financial pitfall that many people encounter is the lack of an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable and unexpected expenses can arise at any moment. From medical emergencies to car repairs to job losses, there are countless reasons why we may need to dip into our savings in a time of need. But all too often, we neglect to set aside funds for these emergencies, leaving us vulnerable to financial disaster. Without an emergency fund, we are forced to rely on credit cards or loans to cover unexpected expenses, leading to even more debt and financial stress. By prioritizing the importance of an emergency fund, we can protect ourselves from the uncertainties of life. By setting aside a portion of our income each month, we can build a safety net that will provide us with peace of mind in times of crisis. And by maintaining this fund, we can avoid the pitfalls of debt and financial insecurity that so often plague those who are unprepared. In addition to these common pitfalls, there are also valuable lessons to be learned from past mistakes. Each of us has made financial decisions that we regret, whether it be overspending on a luxury item, investing in a risky venture, or failing to save for the future. But it is through these mistakes that we can gain the wisdom needed to make better choices in the future. When we take the time to reflect on our past errors, we can uncover valuable insights that will guide us towards financial success. We can identify the patterns and behaviors that have led us astray and make a conscious effort to avoid repeating these mistakes in the future. And most importantly, we can forgive ourselves for our past indiscretions and move forward with a renewed sense of purpose and determination. By learning from our past mistakes and avoiding common financial pitfalls, we can achieve a sense of balance and harmony in our financial lives. We can cultivate the wisdom needed to make sound decisions that will lead us towards prosperity and abundance. And we can embark on a journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom that will enrich our lives in ways we never imagined possible. Chapter 14. In our journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom, we often find ourselves facing obstacles and challenges that can feel insurmountable. We may have the drive and determination to succeed, but without the proper guidance and mentorship, we may find ourselves lost and struggling to make progress. It is during these times that seeking mentorship and guidance becomes essential to our growth, both financially and personally. A mentor is someone who has walked the path that we are currently on and can offer valuable insights and advice based on their own experiences. They can provide us with wisdom and support that can help us navigate difficult situations and make informed decisions. When it comes to financial growth, having a mentor can be incredibly beneficial. They can help us identify areas where we can improve and provide us with strategies for increasing our wealth. They can also offer guidance on how to manage our finances effectively and make smart investments that will lead to long-term success. But mentorship is not just important for financial growth, it is also essential for personal enlightenment. A mentor can help us tap into our inner wisdom and discover our true purpose in life. They can offer guidance on how to cultivate mindfulness and gratitude, which are essential qualities for personal growth and fulfillment. Seeking mentorship and guidance requires humility and a willingness to learn from others. It means setting aside our ego and being open to receiving feedback and advice. It also means being vulnerable and allowing ourselves to be guided by someone who has our best interests at heart. Finding the right mentor can be a transformative experience. They can inspire us to reach our full potential and support us in our journey towards self-discovery and enlightenment. They can challenge us to think differently and push us out of our comfort zones, helping us to grow and evolve into the best version of ourselves. But finding a mentor is not always easy. It requires patience and perseverance, as well as a willingness to step outside of our comfort zone and connect with others who can offer us guidance and support. It may require us to seek out mentors in unexpected places or to take risks in reaching out to potential mentors who may seem out of reach. When seeking mentorship and guidance, it is important to remember that the relationship is a two-way street. While we may benefit greatly from their wisdom and support, we must also be willing to give back and contribute to the relationship in a meaningful way. This could be through sharing our own experiences and insights or by offering our time and energy to support them in their own growth and development. In conclusion, seeking mentorship and guidance is essential to our journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom. Mentors can offer us valuable insights and support that can help us overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. They can guide us towards financial success and personal enlightenment, helping us to grow and evolve into the best version of ourselves. So let us be open to seeking out mentors who can support us on our path towards success and fulfillment. As we journey through life in pursuit of mastering wealth and wisdom, it is essential to recognize the importance of building a strong support network of like-minded individuals. These individuals play a crucial role in our personal development, providing encouragement, guidance, and motivation along the way. In this chapter, we will explore the benefits of surrounding ourselves with positive influences and how to cultivate relationships that nourish our growth and enlightenment. One of the key principles of building a support network is surrounding ourselves with individuals who share similar values, goals, and aspirations. By connecting with like-minded individuals, we create a sense of unity and purpose that fuels our motivation and drive towards success. These individuals understand our journey and can provide valuable insights and perspectives that help us navigate challenges and overcome obstacles. Building a support network also allows us to leverage the collective knowledge and experience of our peers. By connecting with individuals who have achieved success in areas we aspire to excel in, we gain access to valuable resources, strategies, and advice that can accelerate our growth and development. Surrounding ourselves with mentors, coaches, and peers who have walked the path before us ensures that we learn from their successes and failures, allowing us to make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Moreover, a strong support network provides us with a sense of belonging and community. In a world that can often feel isolating and competitive, having a group of like-minded individuals to lean on can provide a sense of comfort and reassurance. Knowing that we have a tribe of individuals who understand and support us unconditionally can be a source of strength and resilience during challenging times. In addition to the practical benefits of building a support network, there are also spiritual and emotional advantages. Surrounding ourselves with positive, uplifting individuals who radiate good energy and encouragement can uplift our spirits and elevate our mindset. By immersing ourselves in a community of loving, supportive individuals, we create an environment that fosters personal growth, enlightenment, and self-discovery. To cultivate a support network of like-minded individuals, it is essential to be intentional and proactive in seeking out connections and relationships that align with our values and goals. This may involve attending networking events, joining mastermind groups, or seeking out mentors and coaches who resonate with our vision and mission. It is important to be open and receptive to new relationships and opportunities as they can lead to unexpected blessings and growth. When building a support network, it is also important to be mindful of the energy we bring to our relationships. Cultivating a positive and uplifting attitude can attract like-minded individuals who are aligned with our vibration and frequency. By embodying qualities such as kindness, gratitude, and authenticity, we create a magnetic presence that draws in individuals who resonate with our essence. Furthermore, it is crucial to be discerning and selective when choosing individuals to include in our support network. Surrounding ourselves with individuals who are negative, toxic, or unsupportive can hinder our growth and impede our progress towards mastering wealth and wisdom. It is important to set boundaries and prioritize relationships that nourish our soul and uplift our spirit, even if it means letting go of connections that no longer serve our highest good. In conclusion, building a support network of like-minded individuals is a fundamental aspect of mastering wealth and wisdom. These individuals play a pivotal role in our personal development, providing guidance, encouragement, and motivation along our journey towards success. By surrounding ourselves with positive influences and cultivating relationships that nourish our growth and enlightenment, we create a community of support that empowers us to thrive and flourish in all areas of our lives. Let us embrace the power of community and connection as we continue on our path towards financial growth and personal enlightenment. Chapter 16: The Role of Gratitude and Giving in Attracting Abundance. As we continue on our journey to mastering wealth and wisdom, it is important to understand the powerful role that gratitude and giving play in attracting abundance into our lives. These two principles are deeply interconnected, working together to create a positive flow of energy that allows us to manifest our desires and live a life of true abundance. Gratitude is a powerful force that can instantly shift our focus from lack to abundance. When we are grateful for what we have, no matter how big or small, we send a signal to the universe that we are open to receiving more. This act of appreciation opens the door for more blessings to flow into our lives, creating a cycle of abundance that continues to grow and expand. One of the most effective ways to cultivate gratitude is through the practice of daily gratitude journaling. By taking a few minutes each day to write down the things we are grateful for, we train our minds to focus on the positive aspects of our lives and shift away from negative thinking. This simple practice can have a profound impact on our mindset, helping us to attract more abundance into our lives. But gratitude is not just about acknowledging what we have, it is also about giving back. When we give freely and generously to others, we create a ripple effect of positivity that can come back to us in unexpected ways. The act of giving not only benefits those in need but also fills our hearts with a sense of fulfillment and purpose, strengthening our connection to the abundance of the universe. It is important to remember that giving does not have to be financial in nature. We can give our time, our energy, our love, and our kindness to those around us, spreading joy and positivity wherever we go. By embodying the spirit of generosity, we align ourselves with the energy of abundance and open ourselves up to receiving even more blessings in return. In order to attract abundance into our lives, it is essential to cultivate a mindset of abundance. This means letting go of scarcity thinking and embracing the belief that there is more than enough to go around for everyone. When we come from a place of abundance, we open ourselves up to limitless possibilities and opportunities that can lead to financial growth and personal enlightenment. But cultivating a mindset of abundance requires practice and dedication. We must be willing to let go of limiting beliefs and fears that hold us back from embracing our true potential. By shifting our focus from lack to abundance, we can tap into the infinite well of resources that is available to us and create a life of prosperity and fulfillment. As we continue on our journey to mastering wealth and wisdom, let us remember the important role that gratitude and giving play in attracting abundance into our lives. By cultivating a spirit of thankfulness and generosity, we open ourselves up to the limitless possibilities that the universe has to offer. In doing so, we can create a life of true abundance that is filled with joy, prosperity, and fulfillment. Chapter 17. As we continue on our journey of mastering wealth and wisdom, we come to a pivotal chapter focused on overcoming limiting beliefs and developing a mindset of abundance and possibility. Our mindset plays a crucial role in our ability to create wealth and live a fulfilling life. It is the foundation upon which our financial growth and personal enlightenment are built. Limiting beliefs are like invisible chains that hold us back from achieving our full potential. They are the stories we tell ourselves about what we can or cannot achieve, what we deserve or do not deserve. These beliefs are often deeply ingrained in our subconscious mind, making them difficult to identify and overcome. However, with awareness and intention, we can break free from these limitations and create a new narrative that empowers us to reach new heights of success and fulfillment. One of the first steps in overcoming limiting beliefs is to recognize them for what they are: stories that we have been telling ourselves based on past experiences, societal conditioning, and fear of the unknown. These beliefs often manifest as thoughts such as, "I'm not good enough," "I don't deserve to be wealthy," or "money is the root of all evil." By becoming aware of these beliefs, we can begin to challenge them and replace them with more empowering and supportive thoughts. Affirmations are a powerful tool for reprogramming our subconscious mind and shifting our mindset towards abundance and possibility. By repeating positive statements about wealth, success, and prosperity, we can override the negative beliefs that have been holding us back. Affirmations such as, "I am worthy of wealth and success," "Money flows easily and abundantly to me," and "I am a magnet for opportunities and prosperity," can help to rewire our brain and create a new reality filled with limitless possibilities. In addition to affirmations, visualization is another powerful technique for overcoming limiting beliefs and developing a mindset of abundance. By vividly imagining ourselves living the life of our dreams, we can trick our brain into believing that it is already a reality. Visualization can help to increase our confidence, motivation, and focus, making it easier for us to take inspired action towards our goals. When we can see ourselves as wealthy, successful, and fulfilled, we can begin to attract the people, circumstances, and opportunities that will help us turn our vision into reality. Gratitude is another key component of developing a mindset of abundance and possibility. When we focus on what we have rather than what we lack, we send a powerful message to the universe that we are open to receiving more blessings. By expressing gratitude for the abundance that is already present in our lives, we can create a positive energy flow that attracts even more abundance to us. Gratitude helps us to shift our perspective from scarcity to abundance, from fear to love, and from limitation to possibility. Lastly, cultivating a belief in our own worthiness is essential for overcoming limiting beliefs and developing a mindset of abundance. Many of us have been conditioned to believe that we are not deserving of wealth, success, or happiness. However, the truth is that we are all inherently worthy of these blessings simply because we exist. We are unique, valuable, and capable of achieving greatness. By embracing our worthiness and letting go of self-doubt and self-criticism, we can step into our power and create the life we truly desire. In conclusion, overcoming limiting beliefs and developing a mindset of abundance and possibility are essential steps on the path to mastering wealth and wisdom. By recognizing and challenging our negative beliefs, practicing affirmations and visualization, cultivating gratitude, and embracing our worthiness, we can unleash our full potential and create a life filled with prosperity, fulfillment, and joy. Remember, the power to change our reality lies within us. It is up to each of us to take ownership of our thoughts, beliefs, and actions and create the life of our dreams. Trust in the process, believe in yourself, and watch as miracles unfold in your life. As we continue on our journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom, it is imperative that we take the time to focus on our own well-being. Self-care and self-awareness are crucial components to achieving true abundance in all areas of our lives. In this chapter, we will explore the importance of taking care of ourselves spiritually, mentally, emotionally, and physically as we strive to build our wealth and wisdom. Self-care is often overlooked in the pursuit of financial success. We get so caught up in our goals and aspirations that we neglect the most important asset we possess, ourselves. It is essential that we take the time to nurture our minds, bodies, and souls in order to sustain the growth and abundance we are striving for. One of the key aspects of self-care is setting boundaries. It is important to establish limits in all areas of our lives, from our relationships to our work commitments. By creating healthy boundaries, we are able to protect our energy and prevent burnout. Remember, it is okay to say no to things that do not align with your values and goals. Your well-being should always come first. In addition to setting boundaries, self-care also involves nourishing our bodies with healthy food, regular exercise, and plenty of rest. Our physical health is directly connected to our mental and emotional well-being. By taking care of our bodies, we are better able to focus on our financial goals and make wise decisions that will benefit us in the long run. Self-care also extends to our spiritual and emotional health. It is important to take the time to connect with our inner selves through practices such as meditation, journaling, and spending time in nature. By nurturing our spiritual and emotional well-being, we are able to gain clarity and perspective on our financial journey. We are better able to tap into our intuition and make decisions that are in alignment with our true purpose. Self-awareness is another crucial aspect of self-care. It involves being present and mindful in all that we do. By cultivating self-awareness, we are able to recognize our strengths and weaknesses, our fears and desires. This self-awareness allows us to make conscious choices that will lead us towards our goals. It also enables us to learn from our mistakes and grow as individuals. Practicing self-care and self-awareness is not always easy. It requires dedication, patience, and a commitment to your own well-being. However, the rewards are immeasurable. By taking care of yourself spiritually, mentally, emotionally, and physically, you are investing in your future success. You are setting yourself up for abundance in all areas of your life. As you continue on your journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom, remember to prioritize self-care and self-awareness. Take the time to nurture your mind, body, and soul. Set healthy boundaries, nourish your physical health, and connect with your spiritual and emotional well-being. By doing so, you are laying the foundation for true abundance and fulfillment in your life. As we continue on our journey of mastering wealth and wisdom, it is important to consider the impact we make on future generations. Building wealth is not just about accumulating money and material possessions for ourselves, but also about creating a lasting legacy for our loved ones and future descendants. In this chapter, we will explore the importance of developing a legacy mindset and planning for the future generations to come. In today's fast-paced world, it is easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of everyday life and lose sight of the bigger picture. We often focus on our short-term goals and immediate needs, forgetting to think about the long-term impact of our actions. However, by cultivating a legacy mindset, we can shift our focus towards creating a lasting impact that extends beyond our own lifetime. A legacy mindset is not just about leaving behind financial wealth for our heirs, but also about passing down the values, principles, and beliefs that are most important to us. It is about leaving behind a legacy of love, kindness, and generosity that will continue to inspire and uplift future generations long after we are gone. By thinking about the legacy we want to leave behind, we can make more intentional decisions about how we live our lives and manage our wealth. One way to begin developing a legacy mindset is to reflect on the values that are most important to us and consider how we can incorporate them into our financial planning. For example, if generosity is a core value for us, we can explore ways to give back to our community and support causes that are meaningful to us. By aligning our financial decisions with our values, we can ensure that our wealth is used in a way that reflects who we are and what we stand for. In addition to aligning our financial decisions with our values, it is also important to create a solid estate plan that outlines how we want our assets to be distributed after we pass away. Estate planning is not just about minimizing taxes and ensuring that our assets are transferred efficiently, but also about ensuring that our wishes are carried out and that our loved ones are provided for in the future. When creating an estate plan, it is important to consider not just our immediate family members, but also future generations. By including provisions for our grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and even future descendants, we can ensure that our wealth will continue to benefit our family for generations to come. This may include setting up trusts, establishing educational funds, or creating charitable foundations that can support our descendants and the causes we care about long into the future. It is also important to communicate our legacy wishes to our family members and loved ones so that they understand our intentions and can help carry out our legacy after we are gone. By having open and honest conversations about our values, beliefs, and goals for the future, we can ensure that our legacy is upheld and that our loved ones are prepared to take on the responsibilities that come with managing our wealth. Developing a legacy mindset is not just about planning for the future, but also about living in the present moment with intention and purpose. By cultivating a sense of gratitude for all that we have and practicing mindfulness in our daily lives, we can deepen our connection to our values and priorities and ensure that our actions are aligned with our long-term goals. As we continue on our journey of mastering wealth and wisdom, let us remember that true wealth is not measured by the size of our bank accounts, but by the impact we make on the world around us and the legacy we leave behind for future generations. By developing a legacy mindset and planning for the future, we can create a lasting impact that extends far beyond our own lifetime and enriches the lives of those who come after us. Let us strive to live with purpose, passion, and integrity, and leave behind a legacy of love, kindness, and generosity that will inspire and uplift future generations for years to come. As we continue on our journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom, it is important to recognize the deep connection between physical health and financial well-being. Our bodies are vessels through which our energy flows, and when our physical health is not in balance, it can have a detrimental impact on our ability to create financial abundance. In order to truly achieve wealth and wisdom, we must start by taking care of our physical bodies. This means incorporating healthy habits such as regular exercise, nutritious eating, and proper sleep into our daily routines. When we neglect our physical well-being, we are unable to fully tap into our potential for financial success. One of the key aspects of physical health that is often overlooked is the connection between our bodies and our minds. Research has shown that our thoughts and emotions directly impact our physical health and vice versa. When we are stressed or anxious about our financial situation, it can manifest in physical symptoms such as headaches, muscle tension, and digestive issues. By taking care of our physical health, we are better able to manage the stress and anxiety that often come with financial challenges. Regular exercise releases endorphins, which are known as the feel-good hormones that help to reduce stress and improve mood. Eating nutritious foods provides our bodies with the energy and nutrients needed to function at optimal levels. And getting enough sleep allows our bodies to rest and rejuvenate, ensuring that we are able to tackle the challenges that come with managing our finances. In addition to taking care of our physical bodies, it is important to also focus on our mental and emotional well-being. Practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and gratitude can help us to cultivate a sense of inner peace and balance. When we are able to quiet the noise of our minds, we are better able to make thoughtful and intentional decisions when it comes to our finances. For many of us, the concept of self-care may seem indulgent or selfish, especially when we are constantly juggling the demands of work, family, and other obligations. But it is important to remember that taking care of ourselves is not a luxury but a necessity. Just as we would not expect a car to run without regular maintenance, we cannot expect our bodies and minds to function properly without proper care and attention. When we prioritize our physical health, we are better equipped to handle the challenges that come with managing our finances. We are more resilient in the face of setbacks, more creative in finding solutions to our problems, and more confident in our ability to create the life of abundance that we desire. So as we continue on our journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom, let us not forget the importance of taking care of our physical bodies. By nurturing our physical health, we are nurturing our financial well-being and setting ourselves up for a future of prosperity and abundance. Remember, wealth and wisdom are not just about money and knowledge, but about achieving balance and harmony in all aspects of our lives. As we journey through life, we are constantly faced with uncertainty and change. The world around us is ever-evolving, and the financial landscape is no exception. In order to truly master wealth and wisdom, we must learn to embrace uncertainty and adapt to these changing environments. Uncertainty can be a frightening prospect for many of us. We like to have a sense of control over our lives, and uncertainty can throw us off balance. However, it is in these moments of uncertainty that we have the opportunity to grow the most. It is during times of change that we have the chance to challenge ourselves, to push beyond our comfort zones, and to discover new strengths and skills within ourselves. One of the key ways to embrace uncertainty is to cultivate a mindset of flexibility and adaptability. Instead of seeing change as a threat, we can learn to see it as an opportunity for growth. By staying open to new possibilities and being willing to adapt our financial strategies to meet the demands of the ever-changing world, we can navigate uncertain terrains with grace and ease. It can be helpful to think of uncertainty as a teacher guiding us towards greater clarity and understanding. When we embrace uncertainty, we are forced to confront our fears and limitations and to push beyond them. We are encouraged to question our old assumptions and beliefs and to seek out new ways of thinking and being. As we do so, we open ourselves up to a world of infinite possibilities and opportunities. In order to adapt to changing financial landscapes, it is important to stay informed and educated. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and what may have worked in the past may not necessarily work in the future. By staying up to date on the latest trends and developments in the financial world, we can ensure that our strategies remain relevant and effective. It is also important to be willing to seek out new opportunities and to take calculated risks. The world of finance is full of uncertainties, and it is impossible to predict the future with absolute certainty. However, by being open to new possibilities and willing to take calculated risks, we can position ourselves to take advantage of opportunities as they arise. Another important aspect of adapting to changing financial landscapes is to cultivate a mindset of abundance and prosperity. Instead of operating from a place of scarcity and lack, we can choose to see the world as a place of endless opportunity and potential. By cultivating a mindset of abundance, we can attract wealth and prosperity into our lives with ease and grace. In conclusion, embracing uncertainty and adapting to changing financial landscapes is a key aspect of mastering wealth and wisdom. By cultivating a mindset of flexibility, staying informed and educated, seeking out new opportunities, and cultivating a mindset of abundance, we can navigate uncertain terrains with grace and ease. As we do so, we open ourselves up to a world of infinite possibilities and opportunities, and we position ourselves to attract wealth and prosperity into our lives with ease and grace. As we journey through life, it is important to take a moment to pause and reflect on our accomplishments and milestones. Celebrating our successes, whether they are big or small, is essential for maintaining a positive mindset and continuing to grow in both our financial and personal lives. When we take the time to acknowledge and celebrate our achievements, we are reinforcing the belief that we are capable of reaching our goals and overcoming any obstacles that may come our way. It is a way of affirming to ourselves that we are on the right path and that all of our hard work and dedication is paying off. One of the most powerful ways to celebrate milestones and achievements is through gratitude. By taking the time to express gratitude for all that we have accomplished, we are opening ourselves up to receiving even more abundance in our lives. Gratitude is a powerful tool that can help us to attract more success and abundance into our lives, as it allows us to focus on the positive aspects of our journey and appreciate all that we have achieved so far. Another important aspect of celebrating milestones and achievements is the opportunity to share our success with others. By sharing our accomplishments with friends, family, and loved ones, we are not only spreading joy and positivity, but we are also creating a sense of community and support around us. When we allow others to celebrate our successes with us, we are inviting even more abundance and prosperity into our lives, as we are creating a network of people who are cheering us on and rooting for our continued success. It is also important to take the time to celebrate our achievements in both our financial and personal growth. By acknowledging and appreciating our progress in both areas, we are creating a balanced and harmonious life that is fulfilling and rewarding. When we focus on celebrating both our financial and personal successes, we are creating a holistic approach to wealth and wisdom that allows us to thrive in all aspects of our lives. In celebrating our milestones and achievements, it is important to remember that success is not always about reaching a specific goal or destination. It is about the journey itself and the growth and transformation that we experience along the way. Success is about learning from our failures and setbacks and using them as opportunities to grow and evolve into the best version of ourselves. As we celebrate our milestones and achievements, let us remember to be kind and gentle with ourselves. Let us not compare our journey to anyone else's, but instead focus on our own progress and growth. Let us be grateful for all that we have accomplished so far and trust that even greater success and abundance awaits us in the future. So, my dear friends, as you reflect on your own achievements and milestones, take a moment to celebrate and honor all that you have accomplished. Express gratitude for the blessings in your life and share your success with those around you. Remember that success is a journey, not a destination, and that the most important thing is to keep moving forward with faith and determination. Congratulations on all that you have achieved, and may your journey be filled with even more success and abundance in the days to come. As we come to the conclusion of this journey towards mastering wealth and wisdom, it is important to reflect on the key learnings that we have gained along the way. Throughout this book, we have explored the intricate relationship between financial growth and personal enlightenment, and how finding balance between the two can lead to a fulfilling and abundant life. One of the most important lessons we have learned is that true wealth goes far beyond material possessions and financial gains. While financial success is certainly important, it is equally important to cultivate inner wealth, wisdom, compassion, gratitude, and love. These intangible qualities are what truly enrich our lives and bring us lasting fulfillment. We have also learned the importance of aligning our values and beliefs with our financial goals. By setting clear intentions and staying true to our core values, we can create a life that is in harmony with our deepest aspirations. This alignment not only brings us closer to our financial goals, but also allows us to live with purpose and authenticity. Another key lesson we have explored is the power of mindfulness and presence in our financial decisions. By cultivating a sense of awareness and mindfulness in our financial dealings, we can make more conscious and intentional choices that align with our values and goals. This practice not only helps us make better financial decisions, but also leads to a greater sense of inner peace and contentment. We have also delved into the importance of giving back and serving others on our path to wealth and wisdom. When we use our financial resources to help others and make a positive impact in the world, we not only contribute to the greater good, but also experience a deep sense of fulfillment and purpose. Generosity and service are essential components of a truly abundant life. In conclusion, mastering wealth and wisdom is not just about amassing money or achieving financial success. It is about cultivating a sense of inner wealth through wisdom, compassion, gratitude, and love. It is about aligning our financial goals with our deepest values and beliefs and making conscious and mindful choices that support our well-being and the well-being of others. It is about giving back and serving the greater good and finding true fulfillment in a life well lived. I invite you to continue on this journey of mastering wealth and wisdom and to explore how you can create a life that is both financially abundant and spiritually fulfilling. May you find balance and harmony in all areas of your life, and may you experience the deep sense of joy and contentment that comes from living a life aligned with your highest values and aspirations. Thank you for joining me on this transformative journey, and may you continue to grow in wisdom and wealth as you navigate the path ahead.